Fire in the hole! Let's cook some beef! Stay tuned! Hello and welcome once again to my backyard barbecue grill. What I got for you today is, this is a 6-pound standing rib roast. It's not a prime rib roast, it's just a rib roast. It's a 3-bone roast. The butcher has cut the bones loose from the meat and tied it back up with string. That's okay, I don't mind. It saves me some work. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to spray it down with some duck fat, of course. That's my new binder. It's my go-to binder for everything. Spray this puppy down with duck fat all over him. And I'm going to rub him down with some of this. This is Salt Bae New York steak seasoning. Now don't laugh about this. My wife bought me this. And even though, whatever you think about this guy, which I don't think much of him, I'll tell you, it's a good seasoning. I'll tell you what's got in it. It's got onion, garlic, crushed red pepper, black pepper, coriander, and salt. So really, it's a good seasoning, you know. It's a good steak seasoning. And I'm going to use it on my prime, it's not prime, it's a rib roast, a standing rib roast. I'm going to get this all over there. There, you see how it's supposed to look. Pat that in a little bit, turn them upside down, or turn them this side up, the fat side up. I think I put enough duck fat on there already. Get some more seasoning on him on top. I'm going to truss him up for the rotisserie, and we're going to get him spinning on the rotisserie. It'll take about 3 hours, I think, to cook this puppy. He's a pretty big 6 pounds of meat. That's a lot of meat. I got my meter, my Meat X. No, what is it? I forget. Anyway, I got my wireless thermometer. It's the meat stick standing by. I'm going to get that stuck in him and get my phone interface, get that going. I'm going to get him rubbed down with this steak seasoning. It's a nice steak seasoning, even though, like I said, no matter what you think of that guy. Anyway, let me get that trussed up for the rotisserie and get him spinning. I'll show you what that looks like. I got a tray of veggies. I don't know if it's going to fit on there. I might have to cook them in the oven. Anyway, that's my standing rib roast. He's all rubbed up and ready to get cooking. Let me get him trussed up for the rotisserie, get him spinning. I'll show you what that looks like. Stay tuned. Alright, got my roast on the rotisserie, got him spinning. I estimate it's going to take around 3 hours to cook. I got my Meat Stick X thermometer stuck in the end of him. I want to cook him till he gets to an internal temperature of about 120 degrees. At that point, we're going to pull him off of there, let him rest. Then we'll slice some of that off of there, take a taste, and drink a beer. So stay tuned. Also, you know I'm going to make a spinning meat video. You know that's coming. Anyway, okay, babies. We'll see you in a little while. Bye. Alright, my Meat Stick thermometer has informed me that the roast is ready. So I got it off there, got it lightly tinted with foil. We're going to let it rest while we drink a beer, and then we'll cut some off and take a taste. So stay tuned. Meine Damen und Herren, the Frosty Root Boy Mug, star of the show. Here's today's beer. Victory Brewing Company Golden Monkey, a Belgian triple, 9.5% alcohol. I need it. I'm stressed out. Holidays have got me stressed out. Cooking these big pieces of meat have got me stressed out, Rob. I need this beer. 9.5% alcohol. It's not a problem today. Any other day I might say that's too much alcohol, but not today. We're going to pour out that beer, and I've got a nice pour for a change. For the last, well, this is actually, you'll be seeing this on like around January 5th. So that's the first pour of the new year right there, and it's a beautiful pour. Victory Golden Monkey. And we're going to get this get a sniff of that triple, a Belgian triple. Ah, smells great. I can't wait to get some of this in my mouth. Rob, let's quaff the froth off of it. Happy New Year. Ah, that's delicious. That tastes so good after working so hard all morning on this roast. Let me cut into this roast, and we'll get some of it in my mouth. Stay tuned. Okay, I got the bones cut off. I got them set on the root vegetables. We're going to carve right into this puppy. I can't wait to see. I'm going to take the end slice off. My old lady will like that because that's probably the most done piece of this whole roast. Carve into that right there. Oh yeah. See how we did. I pulled it a little early, so it might be a little rare, but I don't mind. I like it rare. It actually looks a little done on the end. I'm hoping that inside will be a little bit more rare than that, which I think it is. It looks like it's, wow. It looks a little bit more done than I like it, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. How's that look? You know what? Let me get a piece of that cut off and get it in my mouth. Stay tuned. Okay, I carved myself off a nice piece of that beautiful meat. Does that look good? How's that look? I can't wait to get that in my mouth. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Oh. It melts in your mouth. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's delicious. Look, I had a napkin. Hey. Babies. Let me tell you what. Happy New Year to everybody. To all my subscribers, I love you all. Happy New Year. I'm glad you watched this video. I hope you liked it. Let me take a swig of this beer. That's delicious. It's a little stressful when you're cooking a big piece of meat like that. You know, it costs so much money. You don't want to ruin it. I think I nailed it. I'll tell you what. Okay, babies, that's my video. I hope you liked it. I don't know who I'm going to send you to this week. I'll send you to somebody. You'll see somebody in the iCard. And you know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard. It's over. Why can't I get this right? Golly. It's backwards. You know what I'm saying? There it is. It's over there. The iCard. Go check out somebody in the iCard. Go visit them. Tell them the Root Boy sent you. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Bye.